What is up, knife enthusiasts? Today we are reviewing a Benchmade Adamas model 275BK. It comes in this sweet box that they send, along with a nice made button sheath. It's like a nylon or... Here's the knife. Awesome knife, huge knife, massive knife actually, which is how I like my knives. A little comparison for you with the $5 bill. There's a XM 18 Generation 6 with the harpoon blade shape. Another comparison, Kershaw Blur on the bottom there. Also have a Kershaw link for comparison. As you can see, it's a massive knife. The knife itself, the overall length is 8.7 inches. The blade length is 3.82 inches. It's made from D2 steel. It's coated. The handle length is sorry, getting ahead of myself, 4.875 inches. It's made from G10. This is a drop point blade shape, and it's on the axis lock, which Benchmade is known for. Drop shut action there. You can deploy it via thumb stud, very smooth. Of course, this one's been broken in. Massive knife, very wide, super wide knife. Excuse me. Plenty of adequate jumping. But let's see, width-wise, if I can get these to line up here. Kershaw's on a stand. But hopefully you can get an idea here. Width-wise, it's probably double, almost double the width of the Kershaw link. Very thick in the hand. Of course, the blade is much longer as well. But yeah, it's a great option. These are great knives. I would think that it'd make a great hunting knife in that application. Tactical maybe use. But yeah, just an awesome knife. It's got some weight to it. Not super light, not super heavy, but definitely can fill it, especially if it's in your pocket. Cybert design, didn't know that until now. But excellent knife. If you're in the budget, in the market for a massive folding knife, then this might be an option for you. Benchmade does have a remarkable warranty service and Life Sharp or sharpening service, Life Sharp service, that's what it's called, where you just send it in and they'll sharpen your knife for you. They'll request a spa. They'll treat the knife very well. Fix it up in any way that you need it fixed up. Send it right back to you free of charge. So again, that is the Benchmade Adamas model 275BK.